European stock markets are trading marginally higher this morning, with the UK's FTSE 100 index up about 25 points at the moment, while the Euro Stoxx 50 index is higher by 17 points. In the currency markets, the euro is up against the dollar. It's at around about 130, while in the peripheral bond markets, both Spanish and Italian bond yields are relatively calm. Good morning, I'm Ishaq Siddiqi, and welcome to another Daily Market Bite. I'm going to give you a quick idea of what's going on in financial markets today. So we've had a strong session in Asia overnight, sparked mostly by talk of more Bank of Japan stimulus measures that helped the Asian market and pretty much followed on from some of the earlier reports from the Japanese government that they're going to put in more aggressive stimulus measures to tackle deflation in the Japanese economy and actually start doing something about propping up the finances for the economy there. Now, in Europe this morning, we are higher, and that's mostly because the general tone overnight from the US was kicked up by the unofficial start of the earnings season with Alcoa, the large aluminium giant, reporting a 59% rise in net profit. That signaled the start of a positive US earnings season. It's still early days. We still don't know how the earnings season is going to fare, but essentially, if Alcoa has kicked off on a positive tone, investors are gearing up for a more bullish reporting season, which is going to kick in really next week with large US banks, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs all hitting the tape with numbers. In Europe today, we've had UK industrial production and manufacturing output, which was actually a pretty strong number. That has helped the FTSE index to a degree, but really we're just jumping on the back of a firmer risk tone across European markets. Later on today, we have US wholesale numbers, which are going to be eagerly awaited, although we don't really have much on the US data plate. A lot of the focus is going to be on tomorrow's Fed meeting minutes, where we're going to get more insight on where the Federal Reserve sees the US economy going, and if they're going to continue to keep their pedal on QE, or maybe look at halting QE measures, or even ending. We had a very poor US jobs data number on Friday, so that's really the attention for markets for tomorrow's session. Anyway, that's all for your Daily Market Bite. Tune in again tomorrow for another one. Thanks.